every time you do, you will notice a resistant sensation in your body, because it's alien to you to think that way. You haven't been trained to think that way. You've been trained to think you do this, 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 this and this. So every time you try and think differently, you will get a feeling of discomfort. And the feeling of discomfort is what puts you back in your box. So when you say, great, I've got a feeling of discomfort because I'm stepping outside my comfort zone, of course I've got a feeling of discomfort. My brain doesn't yet know that I can do this, so it's trying to keep me safe. You just say, great, fantastic. Natural response. I'm allowed to feel nervous about doing something new. Of course I am. That's how I'm wired, to feel nervous when I'm going to do something new. But it's okay to welcome the nervousness and let the nervousness turn into an experience.